I work for Shore Contracting in Australia. We do a lot of Tas water renewal, pipelines, road building around Tasmania. I've been with them 12 years, driving small plant, drive a 8.5 tonne Cabelco. Most of my life has been in civil construction, one way or another. But yeah, so I've had 12 years with Shores and it's been a good 12 years. So and they're a good company to work for. They look after us where they can and we go statewide. So I feel that we give as much as they give us. So yeah. Because we do a lot of pipe renewals, we're around a lot of underground services, existing stuff. So the rotary tilt is a lot better for manoeuvrability. Even with your ripper on, you can lay it right over at 90 degrees and get underneath existing services. I've never had an issue even ripping around 90 degrees, as long as it's not too hard. And we run a small breaker. And yeah, the Hitches have never ever give problems. Yeah. Like I say, 90-degree angle, as a millwood kilter only goes 45 or thereabouts, it's probably not any advantage to what I do. Like, you know, we're around gas and optic fibre and water, sewer, power, everything that's underground, we've got to try and get under it and put a new pipeline there. So when you can tilt your tilt 90 degrees, sometimes it's very, well, you just can't do the job without it. Yeah.